Welcome back to the channel, J Car Mania. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an epic RV or adventure vehicle breakdown. Today, we're diving deep into something that's got the overlanding and camping community buzzing, the 2026 Airstream Basecamp. This isn't just any update. Airstream took their most adventure-focused travel trailer and leveled it up big time for the new model year. For those who don't know, the Basecamp has always been Airstream's compact, go-anywhere trailer. It's designed for people who want that iconic silver bullet look but need something nimble enough to tow with an SUV or midsize truck and tough enough to handle dirt roads, forest trails, and remote campsites. We're talking about the 16X and 20X floor plans primarily, and the big news for 2026 is that the popular X package, which used to be an optional upgrade, is now standard on every single Basecamp rolling off the line. Let's start with the exterior because that's where the real transformation shines. Previously, if you wanted serious off-road capability, you'd add the X package for things like all-terrain tires, extra ground clearance, and protective guards. Now, it's baked in from the factory. You get Goodyear all-terrain tires mounted on those sharp stylized aluminum wheels that give it a rugged yet premium vibe. There's a full 3-inch lift kit on the suspension, which boosts ground clearance significantly so you can tackle those rocky paths or uneven terrain without scraping the underbelly. They've also added stainless steel rock guards to shield the front and sides from flying debris when you're kicking up dust on gravel roads. And don't forget the solar window guard up front. It protects that big panoramic window from branches or stones while still letting in tons of natural light. The raised hitch jack foot pad makes leveling on uneven ground a breeze too. All these features mean the 2026 Basecamp is truly prepped for wherever adventure calls, whether that's a national park backcountry site or a weekend escape on Forest Service roads. Moving inside, the Basecamp keeps its signature smart, versatile layout that maximizes every inch. The 16-foot version is super compact, weighing around 3,500 pounds dry, so almost any midsize SUV can tow it easily. It sleeps up to 4 with the convertible bench seating that turns into a bed and the rear hatch area that opens up for gear storage or even an indoor-outdoor lounge. The 20-foot model steps it up with more living space, still under 4,300 pounds dry, and better accommodates families or longer trips. Inside, you've got that classic Airstream feel, clean lines, durable materials, and thoughtful design. The wet bath is compact but functional with a cassette toilet option in some configs, a shower, and sink. The kitchenette includes a 2-burner stove, sink, fridge, and plenty of counter space for prepping meals. Storage is modular with aluminum L-track systems on the floor and walls so you can customize racks for bikes, kayaks, fishing gear, or whatever your hobby demands. The rear hatch is massive, 26 by 46 inches, so loading big items is effortless. One thing that stands out in the 2026 updates is how Airstream focused on making the Basecamp even more off-grid ready without forcing you into the higher-end Z version. The standard models now come prepped for solar if you want to add panels later, and the X package integration means you're starting from a stronger base for boondocking. Speaking of which, the Basecamp Z variant is still available as the electric-first beast with massive lithium batteries, inverters, and rooftop solar built-in for running AC, microwaves, and everything else completely off-grid. But for most buyers, the standard 16X or 20X with the new standard upgrades delivers incredible value. Towing-wise, this thing is a dream. The aerodynamic aluminum shell cuts through the wind efficiently, and the single-axle design makes it maneuverable on tight trails or in crowded campgrounds. With the added clearance and tires, you're not limited to pavement anymore. You can chase those hidden spots that other trailers can't reach. Pricing starts around $54,900 for the base models, but with the X package now included, you're getting way more capability without the extra cost that used to come with it. That's a smart move by Airstream, especially as more people look for versatile, durable campers that blend luxury with real adventure potential. What I love most is how the 2026 Basecamp bridges the gap between tent camping purists and full-time RVers. It's small enough to feel nimble and adventurous but packed with comforts like proper climate control, a real bed, kitchen, and bath. Whether you're a weekend warrior hitting state parks, a family exploring national forests, or someone who wants to disappear into the wilderness for days, this trailer has you covered. If you're in the market for something that screams freedom and quality, the 2026 Airstream Basecamp deserves a serious look. Head to your local dealer to see one in person. The silver finish still turns heads everywhere. That's my full rundown on the 2026 Airstream Basecamp. What do you think? Would you tow one of these on your next trip? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, like if this helped, and share with any adventure buddies who need to see this. Until next time, keep exploring, stay safe on the roads, and I'll catch you in the next video. J Car Mania out.